Good morning, Naija. This now your health corner. On top of the Good Morning Naija show, where me, myself, and I, your one and only Dr. Adora, they summer you with all the better, correct information where you need to make sure say your body, your mind, your soul, they very, very kajad. And the matter where they ground this week, it concern one thing where Oyibo they call asthma. Wetin be asthma? Asthma na chronic disease of the airways. That now where air they take the passport inside our body, where they make breathing they difficult. They difficult for person to breathe, and that time they call them asthma. And for inside this asthma, it get one thing where they happen what they call inflammation, and now this inflammation of the air passages. Now they make the airways to become very narrow. For example, if the airway big like this before, it will come there small because of the inflammation. So therefore, the oxygen where they pass from outside, enter inside the lungs, no they plenty like it's supposed to be. And this one, they result in different symptoms. For example, coughing. Another one where they call wheezing, where as person they as they breathe, it could be like say they hear one kind of musical sound. Then another one where they call shortness of breath. It could be like say person they try catch breath, they get enough air. Then on top that one, they call this one chest tightness. It could be like say that they squeeze your chest. Then if it is very, very severe, this one say it don't pass, be careful. It will result in inability or decreased ability for person to they talk. So you go see some people when they experience these symptoms where they don't go fit even talk well because they don't even fit catch their breath. Then some people they refer to asthma as bronchial asthma. That now the bronchi inside our body saying that one the asthma they affect. Then even though you get some kind of miraculous treatments for asthma symptoms, asthma is still very, very serious, even dangerous disease where they affect about 26 million Americans. So now them sabi keep statistics where and they cost like 2 million emergency room visits every year. So if you go emergency room, you go see like 2 million people throughout the whole year. Now asthma carry them go there. With proper asthma treatment, person will get asthma fit live well through this condition. But inadequate treatment of the disease, they limit ability to exercise and to be active. Asthma where they not control well, if it lead to multiple visits to the emergency room, like I don't talk before. And even on top that one, say they admit person for hospital. And if it affects your performance, both for your house and for your work. Then in each of the following sections where I won't begin yarn you now, it gets 3 major features where this asthma gets. 3 major ones. And one of them, airway obstruction, like as I don't explain before. When you breathe normally, you go notice say the bands of the muscle that now around the muscle we surround where your air supposed to pass, it dey relaxed. So therefore air go they move freely. But for people who get asthma, that they have what they call allergic reactions. And these ones, the things where they cause them now usually cold, then some kind of viruses, then some other environmental triggers. And what these things go do be say, it go make the bands of the muscle where they surround the airways to dey tight. So therefore, if something wide before, it will come dey very, very narrow. So the air, oxygen no go fit move freely. And because of this one, you will come dey get less air than you supposed to get. So therefore, the person will come to experience shortness of breath. It will be like say in the rush, you go to breathe fast because you won't get as much air where if it gets inside the system. And the air where they move through these airways, it go to cause one kind of whistling sound, whether they call wheezing, like what I explained before. It will be like say they hear music as the person they breathe. Fortunately, this airway narrowing, they fit reverse them. So if it happen, you fit take medicine or do something where go make them go back to the normal size. And this now one feature where they separate asthma from other serious gbege them like bronchitis and one way they call emphysema. The number 2 feature of asthma now inflammation. People with this asthma that they get red and swollen bronchial tubes. That now the bronchioles, like the picture where they see now, that those bronchi, you go notice say that they red, they go come, they very, very swollen. This inflammation that they talk say it contributes greatly to long-term damage with asthma fit cause to the lungs. So therefore, treating this inflammation na the key management of asthma, finally. Then the third one, that they call this one, airway irritability. What's going to happen for this one? We say the airways of the people with this asthma, they're very, very sensitive. So therefore, the airways, they tend to overreact and it will become narrow because of some other triggers like pollen, you get some kind of animal skin and animal hair, dust and fumes. All this one fits affect the airways. Now here I go bar break on top this asthma matter for today. Tomorrow I go continue on top the kind of asthma where they affect adults. This is still your health corner for On Top Good Morning Naija show. I go see you tomorrow. My name is Dr. Adora.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.